Hey, Sweet's Cooking Show. Boy, them kids hit me, they think I'm automatically talking to them. It is not your show today. No, it's not your show. If you ain't cooking chicken, you ain't cooking nothing. Hmm? If you ain't cooking chicken, you ain't cooking nothing. Chicken. Oh, shoot. I'm glad I ain't burned your grease spot. You ain't getting none of my chicken. All right. I'm in the gang. Got me some greens and some fried chicken going on. Fried drumsticks. It's the cheapest thing going. All right. I cook mine a while to make sure that it's done on the inside. Because sometimes it looks done on the outside, but it don't be done on the inside. So make sure you take your time and fry it right. All right. To the next video. Sweet's Cooking Show.